Meet my friend Firebase, acquired by Google a few years ago. So Firebase.com does redirect to Firebase.google.com, which is what I'm looking at here. Firebase, it says, helps you build better mobile apps and grow your business. Now that's just saying that because that's what the cool kids want to do these days. But it doesn't have to be a mobile app, and it doesn't have to be a business. One console, blah, 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 Mitch and Max complementary products. What is this thing actually? Some solutions to common problems, blah, 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 blah. Okay, try it for free. Let's just hit get started before we even know what it is. Welcome to Firebase, tools from Google for developing great apps, engaging with your users, and earning more through mobile ads. So, you were probably presented with a login, right? And all you need is a Google account. So if you have a Gmail account, you can just log in with that. If you don't, make an account. So go to console.firebase.google.com or just go to firebase.com and let it redirect you. Here's a link in the Slacks. And sooner or later, you should get to this screen. So just what is Firebase? I would summarize it as backend as a service. Among other things, it is a real-time database. What I mean by real-time database is that if something changes in the database, our app finds out about it within milliseconds. It feels instantaneous. And it uses WebSockets, so this stuff just happens all the time. We don't have to go out of our way to listen for it. It's wonderful. It also does authentication. And it supports lots of different means of authentication. You can log in with a Facebook account, log in with a Twitter account, log in with a GitHub account. You can log in with a username and password. You can have anonymous users, whatever. It handles authentication for you. And along with that, authorization, security. So not only are you who you say you are, but you're allowed to do this. So that works in conjunction with the real-time database. So you can say something as simple as, well, you just have to be logged in as somebody in order to see this. But in order to make any changes, you have to be one of these very special people. Or you can say, you must be this person to even see this thing. Or you can say everything in the world, everyone in the world's allowed to see this. You could even say everyone in the world is allowed to write to your database, if you like to live dangerously. So, pretty groovy. Let's add a project. Please don't call my parents. My parents' phone number came up there. Go away, parents' phone number. Oh, crap, my cell phone number was on there, too. Okay, I got to type really fast right after I click this. Because they'll never leave me alone. All right. What am I calling this again? ThingList, thanks. ThingList afternoon for me. Hit create project. We can give it a second. It's making us a real-time database, and we're appreciative of that. All right. Welcome to Firebase. Get started here. Add Firebase to your iOS app. Add Firebase to your Android app. Add Firebase to your web app. That sounds like us. Click it. Copy and paste the snippet below at the bottom of your HTML before other script tags. No thanks. Instead, we're going to use a package that works in conjunction with React specifically to make it really easy to use Firebase. It's insultingly easy. It's called Rebase, a Relay-inspired library for building React.js plus Firebase applications. Fire. I don't know what Relay is. I don't care. I just like bears. Look at that cute bear. Oh, he says hello. Hello, Mr. Bear. React.js makes managing state easy to reason about. Firebase makes persisting your data easy to implement. Rebase, inspired by Relay, combines the benefits of React and Firebase by allowing each component to specify its own data dependency. Forget about your data persistence and focus on what really matters, your application's state. So let's scroll through here a bit. Features. The top one, sync state. Two-way data binding between any property on your component state and any endpoint in Firebase. What's this two-way binding business? So here in Thing.js, we have our content editable, and we say HTML equal thing.name. We know that came out of a prop. So this is one-way binding. If thing.name were to change, our content editable would be changed, but not the other way around. If we change our content editable, it doesn't just automatically update thing.name, right? We had to go to a lot of trouble and add this onChange event handler, right? One-way binding. Two-way binding works both ways. And what it's saying is, it'll sync any property on our state and any endpoint in Firebase. We change our app, Firebase changes. Firebase changes, our app changes. Pretty nice.